Hey guys, and this is Kryptoschnack. Welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new here, welcome, and for those who are not, welcome back. Nice to have you all here. Today we're gonna talk about some huge winners in the crypto market. I'm not gonna name the name yet, but maybe you have some guesses. So we're gonna talk about the chart, the losers, just a little forward information, Chainlink in this case. And we're gonna check out the chart. And first of all, I would like to introduce you to my Patreon account. I have just created that today. I want to give all my viewers the opportunity to decide if they want to learn more about cryptocurrency. If they do have questions, you are able to support me with a membership. I have put a few member type packages. For 25 bucks you are able to write me 10 emails per month, and I will give you detailed answers about your questions, whatever questions they are regarding cryptocurrency. So if you need to have personal feedback, if you have questions, if you're new, you can support me with the starter pack and I will answer you. Then I will give you my email address and I will answer you any questions you have. For the bronze package, yes, I mean, if you made it and you want to support me that much, I would be really glad to do that. You are able to write me 20 emails per month, which I will give you again based on your questions, based on what you have in mind. I will give you my personal opinion and my detailed feedback about that. And as well, I will shout out you on my YouTube channel, Kryptoschnack, that you're watching right now. And for the silver package, not only will I respond to 25 personal questions, I will as well make a shout out on YouTube, and I will give you, and will be a topic today in my video as well, I will give you a look into my personal investments and how I trade them and why I trade them. And for the gold package, inside information about my trade and future investments, I will give you all the details before the videos come online, and they might come later online, as well as I will give you a phone call. We have a one-on-one talk. You can talk with me personally, and you get early access to my Kryptoschnack videos. I will send you them before they come online, so you will be one of the first if you are part of the gold package. So please check it out. If you know some friends that have questions about cryptocurrency, they want to learn anything, I will be able to respond and give you personal assistance. Nevertheless, I'm not a financial advisor. So if you like that, please subscribe to my channel, support me. I would really appreciate. The link will be in the subscription. I will put it over there. If we look at the market, we are in a mixed market situation, and we have Chainlink especially crashing by 13%. So doesn't look too well for Chainlink at the moment. And if we go further down, we see more mixed markets. And if we look at the winner, it is OMG network. And why is it OMG network? Because it's there's a rumor that Tether is gonna launch on the OMG network, and you see how this OMG network just turned a volume of almost $5 billion and has a market cap of $1 billion. This is just crazy. If you think about it, in July 2018, it was once worth $2.4 billion, and now it's coming back. But how it's coming back, that is the fun part. It's crazy with 84%. And you see we have not an all-time high yet with $24, but this is definitely a crazy way up in the ranks, and currently sitting at the 22nd place. And if the hype is continuing like that, it's just a question of time when it will hit to the top 20 coins we have currently. If we look at the other winners, we have O0x, which I haven't really looked into yet. Icon is up by 30%. Ample fourth, but going back down already a bit. And few other projects that have been gaining, as well as the basic attention token that is getting momentum right now. So it looks all a bit mixed. Some gainers like OMG network, and some big losers like the Chainlink project. I would like to thank you for your support, by the way. Almost 60 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed yet, just let me know, and yeah, subscribe to my channel to stay up to date. If we look at the chart of Bitcoin currently, I honestly must say it's not so bearish yet. We are still coming back into the ascending triangle here. I must honestly say that we have been in this area for a certain time. We have been crashing a bit down today. Yeah, it is. The question is, we have to hold this line. If not, it can go bearish, and we could go down back to the support level of around 10,500, which we hit over here. Nevertheless, we are still in an uptrend, and we have higher lows. That's the key thing. When we hit the lows here at 11,100, we haven't hit them back again, so we had a higher high. So it's still really bullish if we think about the trend. If we go in the daily chart, you will see the same. We are still inside this one, and to be honest with you, there must something happening, and must happen something soon. By the end of August, we should see a move from Bitcoin, either towards the upside or the downside. It's not clear yet where the trend goes. If we see the entire market, it looks really bullish still from now on. So if we look at the weekly chart of Ethereum, I mean, Ethereum has been gaining a lot of momentum. It has been hitting new highs after the crash down here, and I must honestly say it looks still good even after touching the 400 mark again. Nevertheless, as long as it is higher than this mark and this mark, we are still in an uptrend that looks really good, especially after we see here the mark that we have been here around the same mark before this crazy bullish run upwards was starting towards almost $1,448. And this is the other high of $841, which is just 110% away. So taking the cryptocurrency market, 100% can be catched up in a year. So or even by the end of the year. So it still all looks good, but the weekly chart is much less strong than the Bitcoin chart. We can check as well the Bitcoin weekly chart. Currently we are sitting up here. Important is that we stay in this line, and then we would set up for a new trend upwards. We are still in a positive trend, but you see that we had the same when we were getting up here from 9,300 to almost 14K. There's always some red candles in between, and we had at the moment 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. So it would be no surprise if there's a red candle sitting in here. A part of that, if you look here, we had in the beginning of 2017, we had 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 weeks where in 9 weeks where the Bitcoin price was even doubling. So yeah, so I'm still bullish. Just keeping the price at 11,700K is key for the next few days. So before we go into a next upwards trend, we can see here what happened today. It was actually at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is a special time when we see those kind of trends happening, when prices go down. It has been hitting the low here and came right away back, so that's a good sign. And now we have managed to overcome the negative trend at 3:30 p.m. European time. This is the time when the US stock market opens, and this always comes with a lot of volatility, and this means never trade at 3:30 p.m. I would never do that. Either you have set a trade early on, or you trade later on. That's your own decision. But most of the time, when you have Bitcoin and other US stocks, you have to wait till 3:30, sorry, to see where the trend is going during the day. So guys, if you liked my video, you can support me with your thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, or as mentioned before at the end of the beginning of the video, you can support me with on Patreon. I will put the link in this description. If you want to if you have any questions regarding the packages that I offer, just comment down below in the video, and I will answer you any questions. And yeah, I hope to see you as well supporting me on Patreon for further videos. And if you like to gain more knowledge about cryptocurrency, I will definitely be able to help you there. So I wish you a wonderful weekend, guys, and yeah, take care.